So you probably already recognize that this is going to be really close to the arc length that we talked about on Friday. So the beginning's going to start the same way. You still got the sprinkler. It's rotating 300 degrees. So when I draw my picture, I'm going to have the sprinkler in the center. And here's how it's shooting out 20 feet. And it's going to rotate through a circle of 300 degrees, or a portion of the circle, not a whole circle, obviously. So our picture looks exactly the same, but now I'm going to be talking about what's the area of this section here that's not watered in, instead of how long the arc was that wasn't watered. So now I need to know my area formula. So hopefully we remember our area formula is pi r squared. So pi times the radius squared. And I'm going to use this formula to find the area of this circle. So I'm going to do my area is equal to pi times 20 squared. And when I work that out, you are going to end up with an area of approximately 1,256.64 square feet. So just like before, the measure of our central angle of the unwatered part is still going to be 60 degrees. And the fraction of the circle is still going to be the same too, 60 degrees out of the whole 360 degrees, or 1/6. So how I calculated this fraction, again the same. The numerator was my unwatered section, and the denominator was my whole circle. So I'm going to use my answer from 3 and 5, just like I used my answer from 3 and 5 before, to find the area of what was unwatered. So if the whole thing is 1,256.64, I want to know what 1/6 of that is, because 1/6 of that area was not watered. So I'm going to do 1/6 times 1,256.64. And when I multiply that, I end up with approximately 209.44 square feet. So that is how much of my lawn was not watered. So if I were going to write a formula for that, my formula is going to look very similar to what my formula looked like for my arc length. But now, instead of finding part of the circumference, I'm finding a part of the area. So I'm just going to do the fraction that I want times the area instead of my fraction times the circumference.